Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Ford F150 door latch. First, let's identify the problem. Is your door not closing properly, or is it completely stuck? Understanding the issue helps us choose the right approach. You'll need some common tools, such as a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a good quality lubricant. This easy method will guide you through the steps to get your door working smoothly again. Before diving into disassembly, let's try some simple troubleshooting. Inspect both the exterior and interior door handles for any obvious damage or looseness. Next, generously apply a penetrating lubricant directly into the latch mechanism. Work the handles repeatedly to help the lubricant penetrate. This often frees up sticky components and can resolve minor issues without needing to remove the door panel. If lubrication doesn't work, we'll need to access the latch. Begin by carefully removing the interior door panel. There are usually a few screws hidden under trim pieces or in the armrest. Once the panel is off, you'll see the internal workings. Locate the door latch mechanism and inspect all connecting rods and cables. Look for anything that has come loose or appears disconnected, as this is a common cause of latch failure. After identifying and fixing any loose connections, it's time to reassemble. Securely reattach any rods or cables that were disconnected. Before putting the door panel back on, test the latch operation a few times to ensure it's working correctly. Once satisfied, carefully reinstall the interior door panel, making sure all clips and screws are in place. Finally, give the door a thorough test to confirm your F150's latch is fixed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.